If you have just installed the Vivaldi web browser, you may have removed some of the buttons on the toolbar and you aren't sure how to get them back. There is two methods that we can use. The first is to right-click on something on the toolbar and then click on the Reset Toolbar to default. Confirm the dialog and then the buttons will be back. The second option is to customize the toolbar. To do this, click on the Vivaldi button on the top left of the window to show the main menu. Then go to the View submenu and click on Customize Toolbar. The Toolbar Editor dialog will appear. This dialog lets us customize any type of toolbar on Vivaldi, including the address bar, tab bar, sidebar, and status bar. To add a button to the address bar, all we need to do is click on the button and drag it to the address bar. And now it's back to how it looked by default. The Toolbar Editor also lets us remove spaces from the address bar that don't display a context menu when we right-click on them. For example, here we have a space between the panel button and the back button. It's this panel width space specifically. To remove this space, we just click and drag it away from the address bar and drop it into the nothingness. And it's gone. We can also add a separator to the address bar if we want and add our own spaces as well. After we are done, Vivaldi will stop displaying an icon with dotted lines on the spaces and will display the spaces normally instead.